Hello and welcome to DGA Tech. I want to welcome my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. If you're new on this channel, I want to say a very big thank you to you and welcome to my channel. And also, I want to thank my returning subscribers for returning back and watching my videos over and over again, liking, commenting, and doing all the stuff, sharing to your friends and all that. I've been off for some time now. Yeah, I've not been posting because I've been doing some working on some projects, so I've not been around. But I think I'll be coming back now. I'll be coming back now. Gradually, I'll be coming back till I start posting great content. But for now, I'll start posting gradually, like once in a day or once in 3 days. But after that, I'll start posting regularly, just like I used to do before. So I would like to plead your support to support me. Continue liking, continue sharing, continue to comment, continue to invite your friends to the channel, and continue working with my videos to achieve what I'm teaching. I do tutorials on how to make money online, how to create stores, online stores, free online stores, how to create websites, and I talk on cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, online marketing, and different stuffs, as you can see in my previous videos, and also how to receive money from outside, like dollar and all that. So I'm back, not fully sure, but I'll be back fully in no time. So if you're just seeing this video, you're just seeing this channel, click on the red or white subscribe button to subscribe. Click on it and select all to get notified whenever I drop any video on this channel that will be helpful to you. Don't forget to hit the like button and comment. Welcome back. Thanks for joining. Appreciate it.